Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great night. So I recorded this video and then I posted it, but apparently there was no sound. So I'm trying again, hopefully it works. Hopping on here just to go over a couple of things related to your speech, your introduction speech. First of all, and here's the video that I just posted that you can't hear anything on apparently. Speech order is posted. Anyone who emailed me wanting to go on Monday, I got you on the schedule. Everyone else, I just went alphabetical. If you cannot, for whatever reason, go on your assigned day, please try your hardest to switch with someone on a different day. We only have so many days to do speeches, and so if people can't go and we have to keep pushing back and back, we just kind of get off schedule and it throws some things off. So please try your hardest to go on your day or switch with someone on another day. Second, I want to walk you through the rubric so you know exactly what I'm looking for. Typically, I will be in the back. I grade as I go, which means I try to grade and I try to take notes as you're doing your speech so I don't have to remember everything and then go and put all the grades in afterwards. I can just kind of do it as you're doing your speech. That way I get grades back to you quicker and they're hopefully a little more accurate. All right, so your introduction speech. So I'm looking for 3 different areas. The first is organization, second is content, and third is delivery. As you can see, the delivery is not a lot of points, so don't stress over that. But first, organization. I want to know, do you have an organization, a structure to your speech, right? An intro, body, and conclusion. In your introduction, we haven't talked too much about the different parts of the intro, but I want some sort of attention getter. I just posted a reading on attention getters in the speech resources and examples folder in the content section. This could be anything from a story to a statistic to a rhetorical question to a quote, something that starts your speech and gets your audience's attention rather than diving right in. I also want you to state your thesis, right? So today I'm going to tell you about my dad and the impact he's had on me. Today I'm going to tell you about the time that I tore my ACL when I was in 8th grade and how that affected the way I see the world or the lessons I've learned. Or today I'm going to tell you 3 things that my mom taught me. Whatever you're doing your speech on, I just want you to give a statement of preview so your audience knows what they're listening for, what they should expect from your speech. And then 3 main points, right? We talked about that on Wednesday. And in between each main point, I want you to have some sort of transitional statement that reviews and previews. What did you just talk about? What are you about to talk about? Right? So now that I've, talked about how I've learned how to be courageous from my dad, now I'm going to share a couple fun moments that we've shared over the years or something like that. And then a conclusion. Just what did you talk about? Recap your thesis, right? So today I told you a little bit about my dad and the impact he's had on me. Or today I told you about 3 lessons I learned from the time that I messed up big time when I was public speaking at my church camp. Just some statement to conclude. I just want those 3 parts. The second area that I'm looking for is content. I want to know that the story has some sort of flow to it. It doesn't have to have a beginning, middle, end in sort of a sequential, chronological sense, but I want there to be some flow. I want to teach us something about you. I don't want this to be completely random, right? Like, someone else's story or something not related to who you are. And I want it to, sort of explain an aspect of your identity. As far as delivery, I just want to see you're trying. Right? I want to see you're trying to make eye contact. I want to see you're not just glued to your notes and reading to us, that you're making some sort of attempt to use, eye contact and maybe gesturing. It's not a lot of points because we've not talked about, delivery much, but I just want to see that you're kind of making an attempt. Okay. That is the rubric. If we go to content, I want to show you what I posted. So anytime I post anything supplemental, I will put it under speech resources and examples. I just posted this link to attention getters. And then I also posted the audience analysis reading that I drew from when we did audience analysis stuff last week. So you can check that out as well. I'll go in and look at your quizzes tonight and tomorrow and get those graded. And other than that, if you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you on Monday. And thanks for bearing with me and being patient with me being sick. I hate canceling class, and I was certainly off my game on Wednesday, which is not fun for me. But it's tough when the room is spinning, as it is when you have an inner ear infection and sinus infection. So thank you for your patience, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.